Make a great choice today with the 2021 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.